sorts of things and the different asset classes you have. This is an actual short-term, long-term investment, realized gains, realized losses, the net loss or gains and so forth, and the totals that you have. In this case, it was a net loss of $1,200. You have several different asset classes for monthly stocks and the things that you've invested in, the timing and so forth, that you have the description of what the stock is, the date it was invested in, date sold, how much it was for, whether it's held for a long or short period, the cost that it cost you, the sales proceed, and all of those different things. And then you move on to another idea of the net gains and losses of different ones that have been invested in over the last, well, that 2-year period from 2012 to 2014. And you look through these and you say, okay, well, what are my biggest gains, my biggest losses? This is basically a trade journal that basically says, okay, this is my trading, what is my pattern, what do I look for, what am I looking at, and how am I investing? What is the issues that I'm having? What are some of the good points or the bad points? Some of the things I need to check on or work on. In this case, you can see that it was a lot of trading, like every month or every couple of months or so. If you reduce that trading, you reduce the amount that it costs you. At the very least, you'll reduce the amount that you have for your paying your fees and so forth to your broker and what have you. In some cases, that can add up to a lot of money, just depending on how many trades you actually do and how much you actually put in and so forth. At $4.95 per trade even, that's a fairly cheap trade. But if you do that once a month for 3 years, that's 36 trades at $5 a trade. You know, you're talking a couple $100 or thereabouts. Not quite that much, but $200 in my pocket rather than theirs, right? And there's some more information on the different trades that we made, some of the best trades and some of the worst trades, and just understanding what it